Vehold Woodworking Machinery Company Limited was established 1996. Vehold is an aggressive enterprise which integrates woodworking research, design, manufacturing, marketing, and service into one whole. The most of the products including four-sided planer, double-side planer, single ripsaw, multiple ripsaw, double-end tenoner. Now you are seeing the floor processing by four-sided planer. It is a type of woodworking machine, mainly used for processing wooden blocks, decorative wood strip, wooden floors, wood door frames, window frames, stairs, handrails, wooden houses, floors, solid wood furniture, wooden toys, and other wooden products.